going on, guys? This is my Scx6 I've had for about a week and a half now, and I really like it. I already swapped out the servo with a stronger Spectrum servo, and I'm not liking it either. So I think I might go with something even a little more powerful. The servo's got about 900 ounces of torque, and I don't really think it's really enough. This thing is a beast. The only complaint I got is that the body has cracked multiple times in multiple different places, and it seems to be, as far as what I'm getting at on the forums, but it seems to be the green color only. But I'll show you when we get this thing close up. It started cracking, so that's why I did the hood cut out. And cracked there, cracked right there, cracked along the roof. You can't see it now because I cut it out. Oh, look at that. That's new. It's cracking right there, and it just cracks up like crazy. I got a headless horseman here. Actually, I painted him, so I didn't put him on yet. But anyways, I did contact Horizon, and they sent me a brand new clear body with paint of my choice. I thought that was pretty cool. Way to go, Horizon. Way to take care of your customers. I like that. So anyways, more videos to come. This thing's a lot of fun. Just thought I'd bring it over to a construction site and get it a little dirty. Talk to you guys later.